Here's how to add Kik chat overlay to your OBS Studio. So first of all, go to your browser and go to this website, botrex.live. Once you are in this website for the first time, we have to log in with Kik. So click this button, login with Kik. And now all you have to need, enter here your Kik login credential and then log into your Kik account. Click on allow access. Once you successfully signed into this Botrex website, you see this option, Kik, you logged in with Kik account. Now in this left-hand menu, click on chat bot. And first of all, make sure to turn on this chat bot option. Now here, select extras and turn on chat alerts option. Then click on configure. And here, just go ahead and enable all Kik notifications from here. Then click on confirm and click on yes to save change. Now in this left hand menu, click on widgets and here click on chat overlay. So we are going to add only Kik chat overlay to our OBS, right? To do that, we have to disable all platforms without Kik. So only Kik is turned on. And here we can see the Kik overlay chat preview. Now from here we can actually customize our chat overlay. From here you can choose a different animation, you can select a different design from here, you can change your font from here, you can change your message direction, you can change your background. So just go ahead and customize this chat overlay according to your needs. And finally click on copy to copy the chat overlay widget link. Now all you have to need, go back to your OBS Studio, select the scene, in which scene you want to add Kik chat overlay. Now under sources, click this plus icon, select browser, and here I'm typing Kik chat, clicking on OK and pasting my chat overlay widget link and clicking on OK. And here we can see the chat overlay widget added. Now I'm going back to my Kik and let's send some random messages in my Kik. Going back to my OBS Studio and here we can see my Kik messages are showing in here. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.